frequency response. Here we're measuring the different waveforms that will be shown on the defibrillator. Here on the defibrillator display we'll have the knob set to monitor. On the defibrillator analyzer we will select F4 for performance waves. We will select waves, manual, and select the first test, which is a square wave, and that's a 2 Hz square wave at 1 millivolt amplitude. And this is what it'll look like on the display. Next we will measure the pulse, which is a 4-second 1 millivolt amplitude wave, and here is what it looks like. And actually what we do is measure the time it peaks. So we will measure the next pulse to a stopwatch, and it should be 4 seconds. And let's redo it again. So that's 4 seconds, about 4 seconds, which is pretty accurate. Moving along, we will select the sine wave, and that's the 0.05 Hertz, which is shown as a flat wave. Here we will also insert the paper so that we can print out the results, especially the 60 Hertz. It's 0.05, and we press up to advance. It's 0.5 Hertz. 0.5 Hertz looks like. It's 1 Hertz, 1 millivolt sine wave. 1 Hertz looks like, which is basically a sine wave. It's 10 Hertz. That's what 10 Hertz looks like. And we will press record. Start recording. And this is what it's going to look like on the display. And we continue to advance. 25 Hertz. 30 Hertz. See how it starts to get thinner? 40 Hertz. 50 Hertz. And then 60 Hertz should be a flat line. And that's what we will monitor here. Flat line, which should be less than 10 millimeters. And we can stop recording so we don't waste paper. And we will continue to advance. 100 Hertz, still a flat line. 125, still a flat line on the display. 150, that's 150. 1 kilohertz, it's 1 kilohertz. Press record again, because that's the one we want to measure as well. Again, making sure that's a flat line, which it is. And that's the end of that test. Press escape. Next we go to the triangle waves. And we should see a triangle wave on the display. The last test is the ECG again. And we can advance up. Right now it's at 30 beats per minute, or BPM. We should see 30 on the display. Next is 60. On the meter. 120 on the analyzer. 120 on the display. Bumped it up to 240. 240 on the analyzer, 240 on the display, and press escape. Now another neat little function is the auto function, which will automatically advance once we hit advance. That way we don't have to hit the button, it will automatically advance, as shown here. So the auto is doing the same thing, but it's automatically advancing it. As you can see, I'm not hitting the button. It's automatically advancing it. Which is pretty nice. Press the advance button, 60 beats. And that's it.